Hey McKenna, guess whose birthday it is today? It's your grandma's birthday! Does that make you happy? Are you a happy girl because you're going to see your grandma today? Yeah? You're going to tell her happy birthday. What are you looking at? Hi, sweetie. Are you a happy girl? Okay, let's go put this on Grandma's Facebook. Yeah? One more smile? Can you give one more smile? One more? Bye-bye, Grandma. We'll see you soon.